Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to join whitelist, this Pell whitelist. As you can see, if you open your Satoshi app, you see that there is a new airdrop in Satoshi app that is called Pell, okay? Pell. But before you can see it, you need to update your Satoshi app. After updating it, you can see it here. Get your Pell tokens now, okay? This is an airdrop that is different from every other airdrop that we are doing in Satoshi app. We are not doing it the same method we are doing other ones, like every day you come and claim. No, you are going to perform some task. So after performing task on the December 4th, you are going to be given your token. The points that you got from the task will be converted to your token. Okay, so you're not going to be claiming here. So if you're watching this video right now and you haven't registered on Satoshi app, I'm going to drop my link below this video. So you click on it, register on Satoshi app, download the app, then you get started. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on this view details. Okay, so once you click on this view details, you see where they say get whitelisted. Okay, get whitelisted. You click on it. As you can see, they said wallet address, but before then they said enter the wallet address you used to complete the Pell quest. Haven't finished yet, complete quest here. Okay, so for you to do all these tasks, you need your MetaMask, okay? So you need your MetaMask. I'm going to drop the link that you paste in your MetaMask below this video, okay? If you cannot access it below this video, you can join my WhatsApp group. I'm going to paste it in my WhatsApp group. Click on the link below this video to join my WhatsApp group, okay? So after you must have copied the link, let's head to MetaMask. You can do it on your MetaMask, you can do it on your Mrs. Browser, you can do it in your OKX Web3 wallet if you imported your MetaMask there. Okay. Okay, guys. So once you open your MetaMask, you change your network to core blockchain. Okay. So you click on this. So you click on this icon. You click here to open a new tab. You click here again. So the link that you copied, I'm going to paste it here. Okay. You click enter in your keyboard. Then you allow it to load. So you scroll down. Number one quest says set up a crypto wallet, that is MetaMask. If you have three of these wallets that is showing here, you can use it, but I recommend MetaMask. Okay. Number two, complete the quest. Number three, download and register on Satoshi app. Number four, open Satoshi app, enter the wallet address you use for the quest. Number five, sit tight and wait for the airdrop to start on December 2nd, 2024. Okay. So you just scroll down. Quest number one say core chain. Visit core chain full set. Enter your core chain address. Example MetaMask. Click get tCORE to request gas fee. Wait for the funded success message. Okay. So you go back to copy your core wallet address. Click here to go back. Copy your core wallet address. Then you go back to the browser. So you click here. So once it opens like this, the first thing that you're going to do is to paste the wallet address that you copied, okay? Then you click I'm not a robot. I've requested for the full set before, so I don't know if they're going to give me. I don't know that I was not recording it. So once you click I'm not a robot, you click on get tCORE, okay? They say I should come back in 24 hours. Like I said, I've already claimed before. So once you are done, you go back to your MetaMask, okay? So you click on this core blockchain. Click on add network. You click on custom networks, network name, Then the block explorer URL is, so you click on add. Okay, once you are done filling it, you click on add. You click on confirm. Click on switch network. Okay, so as you can see, that I've gotten 1.1 tCORE. Okay, number 2 said BNB chain, visit BNB full set, enter your BNB smart chain testnet wallet address, example MetaMask. Make sure you have 0.002 BNB on BSC mainnet. Okay, so you must have 0.002 BNB, is about $1.1 or so. So once you fund your wallet with 0.002 BNB, then you continue with this task. Okay guys, before now I don't have BNB in my wallet. Okay, so I have to go and fund my wallet with at least 0.003. They ask us to fund our wallet with at least 0.002. Okay, so once you are done, you copy this wallet address here, go back to your browser. So the next thing that you're going to do is to click on this BNB faucet. Okay, and it's going to take you to your default browser. So once it brings you here, you're going to paste your BNB smart chain testnet address here. So once you paste it, you click on send 0.3 BNB. Okay, you solve the reCAPTCHA. Okay guys, so as you can see, they said you got 0.3 BNB. You can request for another BNB in 24 hours. Okay, so once you get it, the next thing that you're going to do is to add the testnet to your MetaMask. Okay, so you click on this place. I'm going to paste it below this video. Okay guys, so once you are done, you click on add. Okay guys, so once you added the testnet, you switch network, we are going to see the 0.3 tBNB that you claimed here. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is mantle chain. Remember, if you don't want to participate in all the testnets, you can actually choose one. But the more testnet you do, the more airdrop you will get. The more airdrop token you will get. So the third one said mantle chain, visit mantle faucet, select mantle and sapolia respectively, enter your wallet address, example MetaMask. Make sure you have 0.001 Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet. Click continue and wait for the transaction completed message. So 0.001 Ethereum is about $2.5. So if you have $2.5, you can send it to your Ethereum wallet or MetaMask. If you don't have, you can skip this one. Remember, the more the testnet, the more the token allocation. So you copy your wallet address. You click on mantle faucet. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your default browser. So they say drop in your wallet address. They say connect wallet, or you choose this one. You paste your wallet address here, but make sure that you select your sapolia. Click on this drop down arrow to select sapolia. Make sure that there is mantle here, there is sapolia here. So once you are done, you paste your wallet address, then you click on continue. Okay guys, so once you are done claiming, it's going to tell you to log into your quick node account for a X4 bonus. So if you don't have account, you click on sign up. If you have account, you click on sign in. They said share a tweet to get 2x bonus. So you share your tweet, you paste your URL here, you claim 0.2 MNT, that is mantle. But if you don't want to do any of that, you just say no thanks, just send me 0.1 MNT. So it's like I'll just click on this one. But you can create your account if you want. Okay, they said please come back in 12 hours. So I don't know what they mean by that. So in the next 12 hours, I'll come back and see what it is talking about, okay? So I later came back and created that account. That account is also somewhere here. So I later created it, but I did it offline. But it's just simple. You create the account, then you come back here, you paste your wallet address again, then you claim, okay? So as you can see, they say transaction in queue. They say get alerted when your transaction has completed due to high demand volume. The Sapolia queue has recently taken an average of 90 seconds to send a transaction. Drop your email address below to get alerted when the transaction is completed. Okay, so I'm going to drop my email address here so that when they send me the token, I will know. Then I will continue. So guys, this is the part 1 of this video. I'll be dropping the continuation of the video in my next post, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, kindly like, comment and share. Thank you.